The U.S. Air Force is warning more than 1 million people not to try and raid Area 51.
A lot of folks are taking the internet-fueled idea of storming Area 51.
It was a joke, but one the Air Force is taking seriously.
As far as we know, this is the first intrusion caught entirely on video.
I can't do it.
Do you think that engine is in there?
Rob, it's up there. I can feel it.
Yeah, you're sure confident, man, but how are we gonna get past all those guards?
Rob, it's right over this hill, but while you were hanging out with chicks and giving them your sex,
Yeah?
I was studying the blade.
Jared, why are there no bullet holes, man?
Phaser lasers.
Those aren't even a real thing.
I don't think, trust me, I looked them up on 4chan.
No way.
New tech.
We'll get you help. We'll get you help. You're gonna live, man. You're gonna live.
Come here, you son of a bitch.
You're gonna live, man. You're gonna live.
You take these. You take it.
No. You're the one strong. You're the strong one.
You take it, and you get it back to the shop.
I will.
Rob.
You're gonna live, Jared.
Rob, no. Rob, this ain't it, Chief.
Bring the car. The good one.
You all know this car. But what good is a body without a heart? And it is here. The heart of the most powerful rotary ever built. But a heart needs a direction. It needs legs. It needs to breathe. So what does an all-wheel drive rotary look like? Let's take a closer look.
I know you look the other way. I know you long for something new. And I just want them to notice you. I'll never let go of you. There's something flying in the air, and I just don't know what it could be. Smoke is flying everywhere. I'm getting the feeling it's the end for you and me. And I know that we might be through, but I'll never let go of you. I'll never let go of you.
Oh my god, he's back to life. I had to get it out of my system. A huge thank you to the Patreon members and anybody that bought an LS swap shirt. Literally, this shirt, all the proceeds went to purchasing that motor. That's why the channel went kind of quiet for a little while, was international shipping is an absolute nightmare for importing stuff like that. But these shirts supported that literal purchase, and yes, literal. Jarrett, what do we got for them?
I mean, we have 3 shirts that's coming straight from the shop. Like literally we design them here, we ship them from here. Honestly, like thank you guys for everyone that bought these shirts because you're making all of this possible.
Yeah.
Like huge thanks.
Yeah, huge. Just like with the Corvette, for those that believe in the project, so you guys only were capable of purchasing these shirts when the project wasn't running. We wanted to show that anybody that wears that shirt knows that they believe in the project. And so the same thing is with this. Our goal in the next month, 4 weeks, not months, anything like that, 4 weeks, is to get that block running, idling. Yes, all of that, actually the real thing happening. We're already 3 videos in. This video was just a very big undertaking to make a cinematic short. And so we're already cooking with TNT explosives. So it's happening. So we appreciate every bit of support and help that's been involved in this process. And so I do want to say, if you guys felt that Jarrett's death sequence was Oscar worthy or absolutely cringeworthy, either way, either extreme, give it this video a like. And if you love what you see, we're putting this much effort into the heart and soul of what this whole channel has been about, share and do all the other YouTube things that people beg you to do.
If you don't like the video, I might not come back to life.
Yeah, he might stay dead out in the middle of the desert in your Area 51. That's screwed up.
Pretty dead.